Our learning target for phonics this week is I can read and write words that have the consonant patterns WR that says KN that says GN that says and MB that says at the beginning or end of them. So WR, you will notice this consonant pattern. That means two consonants together that make one sound. Makes the sound So the W is silent. So let's sound out these words. Right. The reason that the I says its name is there's a bossy E on the end. Wrong. Remember, an NG says wrench. GN makes the sound so the G is silent. So this word is, let's sound it out. Gnome. The E tells the O to say its name there. Gnat, and sign. KN makes the sound so the K is silent. So let's sound out these words. No, knee, knock. The MB says so the B is silent. Let's sound out these words. Comb, tomb, climb. Here is your task for today. On the second slide, you are going to read the words and then type them into the correct box. So I have done one as an example in each box for you. So here, this word is nash. So I typed Nash into this box. This one is right. So I typed the word right into this box because it has a WR at the beginning. This one is knee. So I typed it into this box because it has a KN at the beginning. So let's look over here at this word. This word is the word knock. Well, that has a KN at the beginning, so I'm going to put my cursor here, press on it, put my cursor right after the last letter of this word, and press return. And then I'm going to type in the word knock. Now, I don't want them to be capital, so I'm going to go back and redo that K. There we go. So I've already done this word right here. So now I'm going to go do this word. Nah. So this word has a GN at the beginning. So I'm going to go over here, put my cursor right after H, then press return and type in the word GNAW. And then I'm going to go back here and make sure that this is not capitalized. So that's what you're going to do for all the words on here that I didn't do. So knock, nah, gnat, new, wrist, known, gnome, wrong, new, night, wrap, and wren. When you're done, don't forget to press the blue turn-in button so I can see that you did your assignment.